Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Musings by Nikki, coming to you from an odd angle here at my computer because if you remember a week ago, hopefully you all had an ample opportunity to enter this giveaway. So I introduced a whole bunch of new kits in this video, and we're going to, and it says giveaway, so I've got them loaded in here, and it says that there were 54 of you that commented, and we're going to give away some stuff. So the first one I'm going to draw for is the one that's all the copies of the stamps and the Lori's Garden kit and the Women of Faith kit. So okay, yeah, the winner of that one is, let's go ahead and start, Susan Lowe. All right, let me write that down. Congratulations. She said she was excited about the Woman of Faith kit. So here you go. Now you're going to get a printout of that, Susan. I'm going to put this, your name right. There we go. There's your name right on that stack. Congratulations. And she was saying about how her special moment was being with her granddaughters 2 and 4. Oh, how cute. When they wake up in the morning, it melts my heart. Being a grandmother is such a wonderful blessing. I can imagine. I watch my mom, as she is being a grandma to my kids and to my nieces and nephews, and how awesome it is for her. So congratulations, Susan. Thank you for sharing with all of us, and thank you for being you're a real faithful subscriber. Thank you so much for that and all your support. So this next one is going to be for the boho kits, all the boho folders, the kit, and the tri-level tag. So this is going to go to, let's pick another winner, Dawn Robinson. She says that she did intentional activity, walked a mile at lunch, and made her feel so better and helped with depression. That's awesome. It helped. It helps me feel like I accomplished something. I agree. I totally hear that. Crafting, whether paper crafts or counted cross stitch, has been a blessing for sure. Well, that's awesome, Dawn. Thank you for sharing that with us. I have absolutely, as I'm writing this down, I have loved, I shared in one of my recent videos that I have been so impressed by how wonderful people are and the humanity in the comment section. Dawn Robinson, that will be coming your way. All right, next, we're going to draw for the hard copies of the noted kits, the noted labels, and the vintage, as I'm like flapping it right in this computer, or not the computer, this camera. As I flap it right in that. So this is going to be for those kits, the hard copies of those kits. So let's pick another winner. Helen Nelson. She says, love, love, love. Be blessed, lovely lady. Will you as well, Helen? Be blessed. God bless you. Happy moment. My eldest son came to visit and got to watch you and the treasures you made. Oh, thank you. I'm very humbled that would be a part of what made you so happy in a day. You guys are what makes me very happy in a day. I'm very glad that your son got to visit, your eldest son. I don't know what I'm going to do when my girls don't live here anymore. Helen, I just put your name on there. I don't know what I'm going to do when my girls don't live here anymore, honestly. Although Lizzie was just recently saying that she wants to be somewhere for college or something, that she can still come back and have coffee with me on a regular basis. So that makes me feel good. I think both of them will here, they're both going to want to stick around and keep coming back. All right, so then we're going to draw 2 more names, and these are going to be, these 2 names are going to be people who can pick one of the kits. Oh my goodness. You guys, there's like, I wish you could see what's happening outside my window. It looks like an Arctic blizzard. There's like 80-mile-an-hour winds out there, y'all. The trees are bending sideways, and that was just a huge wind. And because there's so much snow on the trees, when it blows so hard, it flies off, but it's in bigger chunks now because, it's kind of been melt, freeze. So it's like bigger chunks, and a whole bunch of them, I don't know if you heard it, but came flying at my window, over the smaller window over there. Wow. Anyway, that's a total aside. So these two names that I'm about to draw can each pick a kit from my shop. It doesn't have to be one of the new ones, but you will both get the opportunity to pick one kit, like one full journal kit from my shop, or whatever. If all you want is one of the one-page stamps, you can pick that too. So let's pick another winner. Darlene Fisher. Darlene Fisher. I'm going to write that down. Darlene Fisher. Digi. So there we go. There's your name, Darlene. I'll put that on my pile over here. And she says her happy moment was when our king pigeon let me pet her on the head for the first time. She just showed up in our yard one day, and she's been with us for the last 3 months. She never let her pet me. Never let her pet me. I never let me pet her on the head before. I felt very privileged that she's trusting us more and more to take care of her. That's beautiful. A king pigeon, when I read this, I assumed that you meant pigeon like the bird. And that's really cool. If it's a bird and she's letting you take care of her and touch them on the head, they're usually pretty jumpy. So that's really cool. It's like a wild bird. Unless it's one of those things where like a king pigeon is a breed of a dog or something that I don't know about. I probably sound really ignorant right now. But either way, Darlene, thank you for sharing. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for support. And there you go. Congratulations. And then one more for the DigiKits. Stacy, Vitchik. I have no idea. Stacy, that you are the other winner. She says, beautiful Digis, God bless you. God bless you as well, Stacy. My happy moment this week is after working hard for 4 days to save a puppy's, oh yeah, I remember this one, life. He made it. Together we found out, and we fought, and he's out of the woods. That's awesome. We had a dog, as I'm writing your name down here. We had a dog when I was little. We bred labs, purebred Labradors. I'm trying to write this down without Vichic. Okay, there you go. Oh, Digi. We raised Labrador retrievers. There we go. And one of them rejected one of the babies, as they do sometimes. Dogs kind of just know, I think, sometimes that there's something wrong with a puppy, so they just innately, it seems really awful, but they reject them. And so we kind of went through the same thing. I had to work hard to save the puppy and nurse him, had to keep him away from his mom because she would keep, trying to get us away, and got kind of nasty about it. But yeah, so we saved him, and he grew up, and that was Bo. And he lived with us for a lot of years, and he was a good dog. But anyway, so congratulations on your puppy. That's awesome. I'm glad that he's doing well. I hope he's still doing well, and God bless you. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's my quick drawing today for those kits. If you are one of the winners, please send me an email. My email address is going to be in the description box below. You can either send me an email, or you can go to my Etsy shop and send me a message there. And let me know if you won one of the Digis, Darlene and Stacy, then let me know which one you want. And if you won one of the kits, I'm going to need your address so that I can mail it off to you. And to you guys, the winners, and all the rest of you, again, thank you so much for sharing parts of your life. If you haven't read through all the comments on the video, this one over here, I highly recommend doing it. There are some just beautiful things. And I think in a time when we hear so much not beautiful stuff in the news and just in our Facebook feeds and everywhere, in a time when that gets full of, ugliness and vitriol sometimes, it's nice to come to a place like this and get a chance to read some of the things, some of the wins big or small, some of the things that are making us happy, and to realize that we have a lot more in common than we do difference. And, you know, on a very human level, the things that make us happy, the small happy moments of our days, are oftentimes very similar. So anyway, thanks guys. And I hope you're having a wonderful, lovely morning, afternoon, evening, middle of the night, whatever time it is, wherever you are on this globe of ours. And until I see you again very soon, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay crafty, and God bless, guys. Bye-bye.